This is Bob Irish at Newport Realty. Today's Sunday, and that means open house day. We're here at 301 34th Street in Newport Beach on the Balboa Peninsula. We have a beautiful duplex. It is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath downstairs and a 3-bedroom, 2-bath upstairs. Very cool. Within sight, 1.5 to 2 blocks to the sand on that direction, and about a half a block to the bay on that side. So if you sup paddleboard, go that way, and if you want to surf or take the kids, you go that way. As you enter the patio into the downstairs unit, find a nice living room, dining room, and there is a gas burning fireplace. Enough room for 2 couches and a sleeper. It's actually a sleeper. TV, of course. And enough room for 4 people to sit. Fully functioning kitchen. And a 1-bedroom with a king-size bed. There is a shower, tub, and dual sink. Washer, dryer is included, and 2 water heaters. Of course, this actually is a duplex, so you rent it out. Live in one, rent out the other, or rent out both, whatever works for you. There is a 3-car garage. Usually give the 2 to upstairs and 1 to downstairs. Alley access. Plenty of room for parking. And that leads to the upstairs unit, where there's a small patio here, and stairs lead upstairs. We'll get the upstairs a different day. So for $1,689,000, you get a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, full kitchen, and upstairs you get a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. There's a patio off that one as well. Give me a call at 949-500-1740 if you're interested in this property or any other properties in Newport Beach, especially on the Balboa Peninsula.